Welcome. Yes, I've got my glasses on. I'll take my glasses off and then we'll get started. Glasses off. Now, first thing I'm going to use is the Rimmel, after I get the hair off my face, Rimmel Fix and Protect Face Primer. Now next I'm going to use the Maybelline Dream Satin BB Cream, and the colour is light medium. I'm going to use this on my eye. It's Rimmel. It's actually a concealer. Now I'll just get a brush and I'll use this brush to spread it all over my eyes. Okay, now I'm going to use the Rimmel Rainbow Collection, and the colours I'm going to use are these three. So all over the lid, brush, I'm going to use this green, using the same brush on the outside corner, I'm going to use this colour here. Now, going in under the eye, I'm going to take that outer corner colour to underneath my eye. Now, using the same brush, I'm going to take the green down under here to match it up. This green. Okay. Now I need that again. Just as a underbrow, I couldn't find that word the other day, underbrow highlighting, bring it all together. I'm going into this colour here, this one. Just blend it all together. Now I'm going to do mascara, and the mascara I'm using is the, I'm going to turn it around for you to see, Maybelline Colossal. Little trick for you. If you can't line your waterlines in your upper lid or even your lower lid, use your mascara. Take it as close as you can to the bottom of your lashes, eyes aligned. Okay, eyebrow pencil. I'm using the wrong end, Revolution pen. There he is. Colour is light brown. Now I'm going to do the bottom lashes. Next, under eye, I'm going to go back in with the Rimmel Match Perfection, I believe it is. Go back in with that concealer brush we used before and just blend. Next we have bronzer, and the bronzer is my normal MCoBeauty. Okay, blush I'm using, if I can get it open, this end, is the Rimmel. That's better. My big fluffy brush. Next is the Elf Baked Highlighter. Just gently on the top of the cheekbone. Same on the other side. And the nose, on the lip, a bit on the chin. Next is lips, is hair. Not going to line my lips today, I'm just going to prime them, and I'm using the NYX Lip Primer. And today I'm going to use do a nude lip, nude, and the lip, what is it? It's a lip lacquer, I think, and it's by Mud Makeup. It's Makeup D Designer, Makeup Design, something like that. Might take, here's a trick for you, my blush, a little bit on my finger, just pat it on my lip. There you have it. That's the look. Shall we have a closer look at the eyes? Thanks for watching. Beautiful.